2 years ago, naki-food trip tayo sa sports bar ni Chef Jose sa South. Pero gaya ng kahit anong recipe, minsan kailangan natin ng fresh twist. Ano-ano kaya ang bagong timpla ng Bistro 75?
At sa wakas, nandito na ako ngayon sa Bistro 75. After mga ilang plans natin.
I know, bro.
I-invite mo ako, hindi ako nakakapunta. Pero ngayon, sa wakas.
Parang 2 years na yung invite na to.
2 years na ba?
Finally, nakarating ka na. And syempre, bago na rin, di ba?
Bago na rin, ayun na nga. And ano ba yung mga nakalatag dito nga?
Basically, yung bangus natin. Meron tayong chicken tocino, beef tapa, and longganisa. So what I did basically is parang one of each na may pork, may beef, may chicken, may fish tayo.
Ayun na nga. Ako kasi personally, favorite ko talaga yung bangus.
Bangus!
So parang gusto ko talaga.
Sige.
Subukan to.
Sa'yo yung bangus.
Ayan.
Kamusta yung bangus, bro?
Saka bro.
I think yung bangus isa sa mga best sellers namin kasi talagang perfect breakfast na talaga siya.
Pero bro, I heard na nag-rebrand ka daw ah.
Yeah.
So originally, ano ba yung concept mo going into yung concept mo ngayon? Ano ba yung difference?
So basically, yung past 15 years, this was a sports bar called Avenue 75.
Okay.
And I thought to myself na siguro after 15 years, kailangan nang baguhin talaga yung concept. So, and I want to level up yung pagkain.
Pwede ko ba i-try itong longganisa?
Go!
Automatic may egg kasama.
May egg talaga
Pwede naman
kasama.
chef doon na kunyari scrambled gusto nung customer.
Yes! And bro, ito na nga yung
Okay.
ito na yung special request ni Prince
Ayan.
Carlos. So yeah, so basically gusto ko talagang ibahin yung, i-level up yung breakfast na mukhang very gourmet breakfast. Hindi lang like naka-plate lang na wala lang. So talaga like, yun na may, okay ba? It's better.
Perfect bro.
And by the way, may brewed coffee na, ano talaga to, Americano, may mga latte na kami dito na before wala akong ganun. Ano lang, regular coffee lang.
Yeah.
For mga, pang gusto mag-coffee, which is very once in a while kasi sports bar eh. But since bistro na ako, level up na rin kami. May coffee na rin kami, may ice na rin kami, may latte, may cafe mocha, may Americano. So talagang a lot of new things talaga.
Yes.
But siyempre, as workout guys, kailangan yung protein tayo, beef. So isang try mo yung
Pang-gains,
tapa
pang-gains.
namin. Yes, pang-gains yan. So very lean din siya, not too much fat. Yes, na perfect match.
Ako mahilig talaga ako kumain eh, pero one thing about me, di ako marunong magluto bro. Kaya nga nandito ako para maturuan mo rin ako magluto, di ba? After nito, tuturuan ako.
Yun pala yung gusto.
Yes.
Pero mamaya, luto tayo ng mga main dishes ko naman. Samahan mo ko sa kusina mga
Okay. Exciting.
Prince, welcome to my dream kitchen.
Wow,
Yeah.
dream. Bakit ba dream? Ba't dream kitchen ba?
Basically bro, kasi nag-level up talaga ako eh. Yung old kitchen ko, hindi pa ganito itsura. So, ang ginawa ko for the reinvention ng Bistro 75, talagang I really hired kitchen experts to really make a gourmet kitchen na kayang i-handle yung mga bagong dishes ko. So, our first dish, we'll be making sole meuniere. It's a French dish using, of course, yung sole fish natin, which is a flaky white fish. Simulan na natin?
Tara, let's go.
Sige.
Ayun pala.
Yes.
Meron akong smoothie.
Ayun, yun natin ang
Siyempre,
smoothie.
Chef was kind enough to
Kasi
to give
baka,
me smoothie.
baka maitan ka sa
May
kitchen
energy,
mo. So,
pa-energy rin.
Yes, kailangan energy. So, isa rin yan sa mga bago na, isa yan sa mga bago na namin sa bistro na wala dati. So, ang first step natin in any kind of dish, of course, season our fish. So, Prince, a bit of salt and pepper.
A bit lang, a bit.
Yes, just generously. See?
So,
May touch ka pala, yes.
Enough amount yan.
Pepper naman tayo. Okay. So, next naman, gently, para hindi siya masira, i-flip natin yung fish.
Gusto mo ako gumawa niya?
Ayan! There you go. Yan. Flip lang natin. Yo! Ang next step naman natin, we're gonna be getting our fish, placing it sa flour natin. So, kukot mo siya ng both sides and put it back here. Then again, flip it na lang. There you go. Okay lang yan. So, ang next step naman, mag-fry na tayo.
Nakakabahan ako dito.
Right. Fishing. Yan. So that's the sound we want, yung sizzling sound. So usually mga around 5 minutes per side. We just want that light crust, pero hindi siya sunod. Yung sakto lang talaga. So, ayun bro, our fish is almost done. So, we'll make the fish just rest on the side. So, around siya 5 to 8 minutes per side. So, next naman, let's start on our sauce. Right. Butter muna tayo.
Right, so next 1 teaspoon of garlic.
Yes. Pwede ka put your capers as well.
Lahat na.
Yes, lahat na.
Lahat na.
Next naman, let's squeeze some lemon. Right. And then lastly, of course, our wine.
Anong wine to siya?
Marsala wine tayo.
Marsala
It's
wine.
white wine. Just pour everything inside. So yun yung sauce natin. So siguro lang to, like 2 or 3 minutes just to combine everything. On the side, meron na rin tayong beans na ginawa natin, na blanch natin. Just a bit of butter on our beans.
Okay.
Lagay na rin, yes. So pag nag-melt na yung butter natin, we can now start to plate our sole meuniere.
Okay, let's go.
Right. Adding our sauce on top.
Okay.
Yan.
Ito muna.
Yes, yan muna. Just on top of the fish, papaba lang. Yes, there you go. So next naman, we can now add our fries to our side. May beans din tayo, of course, para may healthy ano din tayo, healthy side. Ayan. Alright. There you go. Of course, add some lemon sa upper right side. Get some fresh chopped parsley.
Okay.
And then sprinkle mo lang on top of the fish.
And yun, ready to eat na yung sole meuniere natin.
Yes. Ikaw nagluto, ikaw rin kakain.
Ako na yung kakain. Sarap.
Very light sauce.
Mm.
You can still taste the fish.
Tsaka lambot ng fish.
Yeah. Good job, bro.
Thank you, chef.
Okay, so our next dish will be our chicken marsala. So ayan, meron tayong chicken fillet dito. May konting salt tayo. Meron din tayong pepper. Siyempre, both sides tayo. Add din tayo ng salt and our black pepper. Pagkatapos, we will transfer it now to our flour. Yung chicken marsala, kailangan talaga yung fillet, pounded talaga. Kailangan medyo flat siya, hindi siya yung makapal. So next naman, yung frying part natin ng chicken. Yan. So we'll be frying our chicken for around 8 to 10 minutes per side. So ayan, tapos na yung fillet natin. Cook na siya. Next naman, let's make our marsala sauce. Butter. Melt lang natin to. Add na tayo ng sibuyas. At syempre, konting bawang. Saute lang natin to. Make sure low lang yung heat para medyo slow yung pagluluto para hindi masunog yung garlic and onions natin. Next naman yung mushrooms. Okay, next naman yung wine natin. Yun, no? At syempre to add the creamy texture sa marsala, of course, cream. So quick lang naman to. After 1 minute, we can plate our chicken marsala. Yun. There you go. Good combination.
Good.
Yung cream medyo nalalasan mo ng konti. So it kind of balances out yung buong dish.
Yung mushroom, masarap. Yung chicken, perfect. May pagka ano siya matigas na sarap niyang kainin pag gano'n.
Nasakto lang. Yes, yes, yes. Approve ni Chef Prince.
Chef Prince. Sarap.
Next naman, I think is one of our more classier, yung Kurobuta Porkchop naman natin. So as you can see, very thick cut siya ng pork chop. So hindi siya yung usual pork chop na kasanayan natin. Very tender siya. Sa bagay, ito yung steaks ng pork chop naman. Very level up talaga siya. Of course, season very generously with salt. Meron din tayong black pepper, some thyme and rosemary. Pero dapat usually fresh talaga, pero nabusan tayo. So dried herbs tayo today. Of course, some olive oil. Massage lang natin. Yan. Right. Next step naman, mag-grill na tayo. So gusto ko lang ma-sear yung outside part ng pork chop natin. Basically, hindi naman siya kinukook all the way. Gusto ko lang siya magkaroon ng parang grill marks sa pork chop. Yan yung grill marks na gusto ko talaga. Ganda ng mga lines. Okay, since okay na yung charring natin on all sides, ayun, no, na-sear na siya ng maganda. Our next step, we'll be finishing our pork chop sa oven naman. Alright, after a few minutes, let's check on our Kurobuta Porkchop. Ayan. Woo! Tara, plate na tayo. So meron tayong ditong homemade apple sauce. Let's take our pork chop. Then syempre meron din tayong mga greens as well. Tayong konting cauliflower. Meron tayong broccoli. Carrots tayo. Super tender talaga yun.
Yun, no, tingnan natin yun. No?
Yun, no? Sauce. Yeah. So super tender. Not,
Ano sauce?
not the usual. And then the sauce goes well din.
Try natin na walang sauce.
Sige, sige.
Sarap po.
So, mas type mo? May sauce o walang sauce?
Ako kasi, kahit anong pagkain, mahilig ako sa sauce.
Oh, so you like putting stuff
So,
on
may
it?
sauce.
Oh, okay.
Pero kahit wala, sarap pa
Okay
rin.
din. Yun!
Yun!
Yun,
Dito
oh.
ko pala!
Yes, sir. What's up?
Yes, ganda dito ah.
Thank you, thank you. Welcome to room 75.
Room 75.
Yes.
Parang man cave yung datingan.
Parang ganun yung vision ko talaga. This used to be a videoke room dati.
Okay.
So from videoke room to man cave / speakeasy. Okay, so yan, naghanda ako ng mga drinks para sa atin, bro. Of course, yung unang-una dyan, yung salted caramel martini, which is vodka-based. Meron tayong Negroni, which is gin-based.
Vodka,
And syempre, may siesta tayo. Ito naman, tequila.
Tequila.
So, kahit siesta siya, may sipa.
Sipa, may kick eh.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers,
Thanks for coming
cheers.
to
Thank you
room
for inviting me.
75.
Sarap. Swabe lang.
Swabe lang. Since siesta, ito naman pampagising.
Sige.
Yan, pwede diba?
Mix na. Perfect
Pwede
mix
yan,
na.
oo. Pwede, sarap.
Coffee yung lasa.
Yes. The main goal was to transform the sports bar to a bistro na making it look like a place where you
Yeah.
can bring your family for lunch, merienda, coffee, a good dinner with a date. But then sa gabi, pwede pa rin siyang maging bar
Oh,
night. So, yeah. I mean, thanks for coming. And,
Thank you for inviting
thank
me.
you, Prince,
Sure.
for coming. Hopefully you
Thank you, I
enjoyed. And, yan, sa lahat ng mga kapuso, gusto ko lang kayo invite sa Bistro 75. So, if you're in the South area, please check out my new and improved restaurant.